I've done 2 judicial internships. My first summer, I worked for Justice Crooks at the Wisconsin Supreme Court, which was really an interesting experience. We got to, right at the beginning of the summer was the end of the term for the court, so we were mandating opinions and cross-checking things to see, what does the dissent say versus what the majority is saying, and, is Justice Crooks writing this piece, or is he just making sure that he's actually signing on to the content? And then throughout the rest of the summer, we were gearing up for the next term, just reading through the briefs, doing all the research that the lawyers had already done, but in writing bench memos and doing some site checks and things like that. And that was all appellate level work. So we were looking at these questions where the law runs out, or where there isn't precedent or something clear. And that made me want to do a second internship, which I did this fall with Judge Patterson in the Southern District of New York, because he is district court, and I got to see exactly how fast things move. And Judge Patterson is absolutely wonderful and loves trials. So I got to see several trials go on, and both of them were criminal trials, and it was really interesting just to see the different pacing, and also to watch Judge Patterson create the record that I knew would, if there were appeals, I kept thinking about how it would read as a cold record to an appellate court, like I had been doing over the summer. And I thought it was just interesting to see the balance of, what goes on either side.